All right, everybody, we are back. Who is this?
It's me. I'm back.
Finally.
Yeah.
It's been a couple trips without you now.
I know. I'm sorry y'all missed me, but guess what? We're back in beast mode. Let's go.
As per usual, Melody's going to do the first toss. I don't know which way to go. This is what we're working with. We're down on like the lower banks underneath this bridge. There's a lot of traffic up there, so we felt safer down here. Launch her in. Let's see.
All right.
Let's pull up another gun. Come on. Ka-thunk.
Oh.
Oh, okay. Well, there you go. First cast, you got some scrap nails, some type of a weird...
I think that's an old screwdriver.
It's
Or
threaded.
like
No, it's threaded. That's a screw. That's a threaded screw for something. And some mud.
A fish hook.
Another fish hook.
Or
yay.
ish.
Well, as they say in the business.
Into the bucket it goes.
All right. My turn?
Yep.
Sometimes we have to wipe our gloves off with our little bandana. Because, again, we're using a cell phone, not a GoPro. Yeah, anybody want to send us a GoPro? Yeah, yep, we'll take it.
Yeah, GoPro for it.
We will shout you out for sure. Let's pull in a Bradley tank.
I'm going to be so mad if you pull in a gun.
We're on a roll lately. I don't know. I don't know if we're going to pull one over. Okay, well, we found another spot. It's by Cherry Hospital. The bridge over here looks like it has quite a nice easement where we should be safe. We can tie off to. Let's see if we can find some more nefarious objects in the river or just some scrap metal, whatever it is. I don't care what we find. I get excited about everything we find, even if it's a small nail or a bolt or a fishing lure. It's so much fun to do this. I highly recommend magnet fishing. We're at our new location and we've got our buddy Chris with us today. We're all going to be wearing the yellow vests. So, yeah. I have no doubt we're going to find something.
Well, I found this, and this is just from tracking.
And you haven't even thrown in the river yet. That's crazy. Yep, he already found something. Into the bucket it goes.
That's
right. First toss for Melody.
Every time.
Let's
you know
see
it.
what she's got. Okay.
You know it. I get it every time. First time.
Oh, whoa.
Oh, whoa. Whoa.
What is
whoa.
that?
What
Okay,
is that?
so there's like a piece of scrap metal, like a rectangular thing, and a piece of some type of wire. Into the bucket it goes. They're wearing gloves, so I'm just gonna kind of film them doing this for a while. Apparently Melody's clicked onto something. Let's go see what it is. What is this? Is it just smudge?
No. Oh, I got a nail.
There's a nail. Alright, well.
And then like some other, what I like to call, what do I call it?
Shart.
Shart.
Yeah.
Shart.
Scabs.
Got shart.
So Chris here has pulled up all of that crap in one shot. What is that thing? That's kind of interesting. I don't know. Good job, bro. We're just gonna inch by inch, pound by pound, clean out these waterways. Oh, you're on something. Oh yeah, there's something sticking off the side of that magnet.
Yeah, I clicked hard.
What is that?
Oh. Oh.
Melody is on this side. Chris is on that side. Even though we don't find anything crazy, it's still fun to find like scrap metal because we're cleaning out the waterways, right? Isn't that the point?
Yes, and now when you get fish, it might be good fish.
I'm hoping we're not like knocking out fish with our magnet or cracking turtle shells or something.
That's what I was thinking about the turtles.
You found something?
Yeah.
Yeah, something's coming out. Oh, okay. So, all right. So you found that. That's like an L-shaped rebar type thing.
Yep.
So Chris has found now 2 of these L-shaped bars right in that very spot, right down there. Oh, she's got something. All right, let me cross the road. Seems to be clear. And apparently in this county, you can't get busted for jaywalking, according to the police.
What'd I get?
What you got?
What'd I get?
What you
What'd
got?
I get? What's that?
Oh, that's a big, some kind of a, it's like a bolt, some kind of scrap
That's
metal.
old though.
Well,
That's old.
into the bucket it goes.
You ever been afraid of heights? All of a sudden, I don't give a shit anymore.
That's pretty cool, actually.
What the?
Are you pulling up? Oh my God.
I found.
This is, you found Valheim. You found the swamps of Valheim.
I was gonna say swamp man.
Is there anything on there that might be worth like looking at?
I don't know. I want to find out why it connected.
Well, I guess we start yanking that
Whoa!
crap
Whoa!
off. No, that's our rubber loop for our
I know.
ring.
I'm just.
No, it just looks like you
Really?
found algae. Well, then.
Back into the swamp you go.
Okay, I just threw in. I don't know. Normally I wear gloves, but they got gloves on. I was just throwing in one time. But there's this thing. Oh, crap. Okay. It looks like a UFO. What is that? What is that? If anybody knows what that is, let me know in the comments.
Speaker.
Maybe. I don't know, but it's crazy. All right, I'm going to throw that on the ground. So what in the hell is that thing?
Chris let me throw his magnet in, and
You're pulling something up. What is that?
whoa!
That's a stick and some other
Hold up a
stuff.
minute.
Some nails. I don't know.
Whoa.
We keep finding a lot of these
That
things
is
that
a
are shaped
lot.
just like that.
Okay, so a lot of nails.
A lot. You've got like 6 or 7 nails on there. Into the bucket it goes. Melody's got something. Whoa! What? Oh, that's another one of those little spike things. Hey, it all adds up, right?
Oh, there's actually some other stuff on
There's
there.
something other. A bunch of scrap metal, but
Was this like an old railroad?
it possibly could have been. Yep. We went to 2 different locations that we found nothing of interest. Some scraps, some bolts. Got our magnets locked together. Either way. Until the next one, if you like this video, subscribe, hit the like button, share with your friends. Yada, yada, yada. We'll see you on the next one. Cherry cream pie. Peace.